it's Raina with Lylo Crafts, and today I just wanted to jump on really quick and share some of the ephemera and embellishment pieces that I have been working on for this sunflower journal. So it is utilizing this paper just as a reminder. So the first one I've got is this one, and look at that. This is fabric. It's a small print of yellow and white with flowers on it. I've got 1800s book page. I've got some packaging on here, a label sticker, and this is the header off a piece of scrapbook paper, and I brought that in to go with that blue on that, so I'm very excited for that. And then look at this gorgeous lace. It's got some flowers in it. Can you believe that? And the person I'm making it for loves tea for JanetKay. And so I've got this teacup in here that I just painted with a little bit of metallic paint, just loosely to bring some of that yellow in. So that is my first embellishment. So this next one really is a tag, or it could even be a tuck, and this comes from that sweet paper. And so I've cut this out and I backed it on 110-pound cardstock, and what I did was I sewed 3 different kinds of stitches over here. So I did a straight stitch, a wavy stitch, and then another straight stitch. And I just wanted you to see that sometimes we just have to add the smallest things to enhance our items to be so beautiful. And then I inked around the edges for that. So I think that is very sweet too. I've got this sweet little ribbon cluster that I have that I'm going to add someplace in that journal. And then I also have this. This is a journaling card, and I again brought in that blue to bring out that blue that is accented occasionally in these papers. I've got a little applique from a wedding dress over here, a double lace bow, and I've stitched again a big wonky stitch on the bottom, and I just did that freehand. And I've got a little like vining stitch on the sides over here, and then I thought I'd add that little butterfly. And if you look real closely, you can see that I've even got little dashes for where that butterfly is flying off of that sweet plant with the flower there. And then this is book page that I painted with metallic paint. So really fun. And then on the back, I put here and now. So I gave her a journaling prompt where she can write what is going on in the here and now. There is a question of the day that I'd like for you to answer to be entered into my giveaway. I'll put the rules for the giveaway in the description below. And the question is, what is your favorite memory from fall? So from the whole fall season or autumn season, tell me one of your favorite memories that you've had. It doesn't have to be this year. It could be any time. I love learning more about you, and honestly, these questions of the day have delighted me to be able to read your answers. So put that in the description below, and you will get an entry into the giveaway. It is for a $10 PayPal. $10 US PayPal, and I will be picking the winner the first Monday in October. So this goes through September. I'll put a link to the playlist at the end of the video if you missed any of the other ones and want to watch them and answer the questions of the day and give it a thumbs up. All right, so here are my sweet little 5 embellishments for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.